Peter Kajowski from Focus Features. How are you? That was recent. How fucking incredible are they? That was unbelievable. I need to tell you guys something. If you're ever looking for the opportunity to sort of find yourself like standing eye to eye with an overwhelming sense of your own inadequacies, come on stage with a microphone after them. But here we are. I'm doing it for a reason. It's an important reason. I have a bunch of people to thank. I'm going to be quick. First and foremost, got to thank all you guys for coming out tonight. We love this movie. We think this movie's an absolute joy and a wonderful, wonderful way to spend an evening with this room, a room full of people like this, which is my absolute favorite thing in the world. So thank you for coming out. Also want to thank Kelly Campbell, Brian Henderson, Val Borland, the amazing team at Peacock who partnered with us on this movie. They were fielding sort of like frenzied midnight calls from me after we saw this movie at Sundance saying like, we absolutely have to find a way to do this movie. They helped find a way to make this possible. We couldn't be more proud of that partnership and that relationship we have. And then most importantly, the group that put this movie together are the absolute best partners in the world. We've gotten to work with some of them a few times. It's always an absolute joy, an absolute pleasure. Adama and Adana, who are the masterminds behind this movie. They are brilliant. And then some of the best producers you could possibly ever imagine working with if you're us. Jordan, Wynn, Dana, their whole team at Monkey. Daniel, Rowan, the team at 59%. It's been an absolute pleasure from beginning to end. And now I have the distinct pleasure of introducing you guys to two people who need absolutely no introduction, especially from the likes of me, Mr. Jordan Peele and Mr. Deanna.
Thank you, Peter. Just warm thank you to Kuja here from Focus, and we have just such a great partnership, and so on behalf of myself and Monkey Paw Productions and our team, I can't stress enough how hard it is to find projects this good, how to find projects like this. First off, I'm very honored to be here with Daniel Kaluuya, a partner in crime, for our third film. And extremely proud to be able, when we look for a film to latch onto for our bare lives, at Monkey Paw, it's a very hard combination of things. We're looking for films that are deeply funny and entertaining, and films that our audience can connect to. And we're looking for films that are bold and risky and big and have big ideas, and more than anything, we're looking for films that carry a big conversation with them. And I love this film, and so I want to give a shout out to Wynn and Dana on the Monkey Paw team for shepherding Monkey Paw. I love that this is another collaboration with Sundance, so to speak. After Get Out, we screening there, so it's all full circle. I'm gonna get going because this movie is so good, y'all. I want you guys to see it. Cujo, Jason, Kiska, and Lisa at Focus, thank you. Kelly at Peacock, thank you guys again. I'm so glad you guys are here. Again, I saw that, that gospel choir made me think maybe we did the Nope premiere wrong. That was lit. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, my good friend and the producer, Daniel Kaluuya.
Woo! All right? Everyone good?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you everyone for coming. Oh my God, there's some fever. Thank you everyone for coming. Appreciate one of you. I don't know what that is. I'm too ADHD to. Yeah, that's better. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a really special moment. It's the first film under the 59% banner. First film I produced. Rowan Riley and Amanda Critchlow for all the work that they've done. Peele and the Monkey Paw team. For filmmakers like that, Ebo twins. And we saw this film. This film came to me as a short film years ago after Sundance Screenwriters Lab, I believe. I may got it wrong, maybe a director's lab. And I just loved that it married tone and this genre and then this world in such a unique way that I'd never really seen before. And I was like, oh, who are these people? And then we sat down with them and I saw that they had this, Adama and Adani had this incredible love for each other. That meant that, oh, they're always going to be all right. You know what I mean? So, and I knew where this train goes. I know where this train goes. And it's a real privilege to be at the beginning of this journey for them. You know, we're like an incredible career ahead of them. I'm really proud to be a part of this. So, with no further ado, let's introduce the stars of the show. Adama and Adani Ebo.
What's up, y'all? Well, this is bananas. I don't know. I graduated from film school in 2018, so this is wow.
Wow.
It's a story that we've been working on since 2015, and it's just been it's been a long journey. It's been a long journey, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner, and a more amazing cast, to be honest. You know, when Daniel first asked us who we wanted to be our first lady, our lead, we said a Regina Hall type. Maybe number two. So, but they delivered, and so I really just want to bring this amazing cast out here. I'm going to start with Nicole Bahari. Mia Rogers. Confidence. And then Austin Cruz. Oh, yo. Next is my word. Sterling K. Brown. Of course, Regina Hall. Cannot wait for y'all to see what these folks do. It is a particular movie, and they handle it with absolutely the best comedy chops, the most grace, and the performances, hands down, are what I'm the most proud of, and I can't thank y'all enough. I also want to give a few more thanks. I'm going to start with Mike Dill, who came out here from Atlanta. He was in the short. I really want to thank my work husband, Alan Wazowski. He really shepherded me through some tough stuff, and did it really calmly. It's an amazing skill to have, I think, as a DP, to just be chill, man.